The basic artwork. Let us now learn how to create an animation. As we have discussed earlier, animation is a visual change over time. So in other words, it is the sequence of image display one after the other in a given time frame. Let us discuss some basic of animation. Animation is a visual change over time wherein the digital images are played one after the other to create a moving effect. The images used in animation can be first created and then displayed in a sequence. So this type of an animation is known as frame by frame animation. Remember students, frames are defined as the length of time in the document. Each frame consists of some object to be displayed over a period of time. Hence, in frame by frame animation, each small change in the image is created and then display in sequence. So this method is slow and tedious. So it also requires a lot of time and resources. Next thing, keyframe or twinning and style animation. The other simple way to create animation is through keyframe. A keyframe is a frame in which we define a change to an object's properties. Using keyframes, you need to specify the first position and the last position of the object. The in-between frames are automatically understood and need not be specified. For example, say we want to show a circle moving from left to right. Here you need to create the first keyframe on the left and include the last keyframe on the right. The series of frames in between are drawn automatically. This effect is known as twinning. Twinning is an action which calculates the number of frames between keyframes and path of the action. This type of animation is known as style animation, and the computers generally employ this type animation. The real difference between varieties of animation software is how much to be drawn by the user and how much is automatically generated by the computer. Another types of computer animation is known as kinematics. It is the study of movement and motion of objects that have joints such as walking man or running leopard. In some animations, we can use an effect known as morphing, wherein the image transforms into another. Say for example, you must have seen that a person's face transforms into another face and so on. Many products are available in the market that support this type of effect. So now students, let us create our first animation of a circle moving from left to right. Students, as you know, it is a Symfony Studios interface. It is a toolbox, a main part of software. It is a canvas window. There is a two panel, vertical panel and horizontal panels. So first, if you want to create an animation, then decide timing of an animation. So you can see here there is a time frame here and it shows 5 seconds. You can see here this is a timeline and it shows 5 seconds, but we want to create an animation of 5 seconds. So select caret and choose edit and then select properties option. When you click on properties option, you can see properties dialog box. Give a name and description to your first animation here. As shown, we have given the name suppose Simfing animation 1 by default. Now you can see there are 3 tabs: image, time and other. So select time tab. You can see there is a 3 option in time tab. Frames per second by default it shows 24, start time 0 frame and end time 5 seconds. So here we can edit end time. So change it to by 2 seconds. So define 2s and now click on apply button and click on OK button. So now you can see here our timeline change in 2 seconds. So here it shows 2 seconds, right? So now you can create an animation. So now draw an image. So suppose in our example here we draw circle. So click on circle tool, then draw in canvas window. Suppose I draw a picture, an image, an object. So now we will try to move it to right side. So first use frame by frame animation. It is a tedious animation types. So first we will click on animate editing mode. Here you can see it is an animate editing mode. Remember students, it is an important mode for to create an animation. So when you click on animate editing mode, then you can see if it is on, then you can see border around our canvas window. So it will be display, or it will be visible if you have non-zero end time. So clicking on this button turn it into red button and the canvas display a red outline. This means that now the animate editing mode is active and any changes made will have an effect on the animation in the time slider. So in animate mode, whenever parameter of an object is changed, a waypoint is created to remember the change in the position and the time on the time bar at which the change happened. So let us now start creating our animation, frame by frame animation. So click on 0F. So first select object by using transform tool. Slightly move it so it will not 0 frame. Now click on beside it. So it will shows now 2F. It is known as a time slider. You can see orange slide. So it is known as a time slider, and it will scrub on timeline window. When it will scrub on timeline window, it shows our animation. So now it will show it is so 2F. So slightly move it. Once again click beside the frame. Now it will show 4F and slightly move it. Once again click on, then it will show 12F. So move it. Then once again it will show now 20F. Slightly move it. Click on 1 as 6F. Now it will show 1 as 6F. 1 second and 6 frame. Number of frame 6. Slightly move it. Now once again. Now it will show 1 as 14F. Slightly move it, and at last click on last frame, which will show 2S. So move it. Okay, now our animation is ready. You can see by using play button here. So now we will play it. So when you play it will show like this. You can see. So it is a frame by frame animation, and it is a slow and tedious. So now we will move our second type of animation, that is twinning, twinning motion, or we can say it's sad animation. Click here for new canvas window in toolbox, new canvas, arrange it. You can arrange by file, panels, and reset Windows original layouts. Okay, now first decide time. Our timeline defaultly shows 5 seconds. Now convert into 2 seconds. So click on caret, choose edit, and select properties. Then select time tab, change end time into 2 seconds. So type 2S and apply, and click on OK. Now our timeline window changed by 2 seconds. You can see here. Now create an object. Suppose create circle. So select circle tool and create circle on the canvas. So now our image and timeline window is ready, and now time for turn on animate editing mode on. So click on turn on animate editing mode. So now our twinning motion start. Here in twinning motion, we have to define first position and last position of the object. So you can see here 0 frame in timeline box or timeline entry field. Move the circle slightly so that it records the location for the first frame. So by using transform tool you can select it. So select first position for 0 frame. So slightly move it. Okay. Now you can also move the circle to a new location on the working area as the starting point. Now click at the end of the timeline. So click at the end of timeline here. Now you can see in mark entry field that is shows 2 seconds. Now grab the circle in straight way. So use shift key. So hold shift key and grab it to right side. Okay. So now our animation is ready here, and you can play it. So we define beginning and end location. Simping has automatically created the in between images or frame. As we discussed earlier, this process is known as twinning. So this frame when displayed together will give an effect of moving circle. You can see I played it. Now save our files. So click on save button from toolbox window. So when you click on save button, then it will show. Okay, So I apply first. So you can see here first dot sifz. Okay, so as an extension you can see here dot sifz extension. So now I click on save. Now time for rendering. So finally we need to render our work. Rendering means the computer uses various algorithm to apply the final effect you have specified on the object create. So before rendering, click on uh, a button animate editing mode. So now it will turn off. So after save, click on for render. So select caret button, choose file and select render. When you select render, then it will shows a render setting dialog box. Our target file, that is GIF, and now click on render. When you click on render, the status bar shows rendering our file. When it will finish, then it will shows one another message. Now you can see our file rendered successfully. You can see here on status bar. So जहाँ पर हमने ये फाइल स्टोर की होगी वहाँ पर ही हमें ये फाइल रेंडर की हुई फाइल हमें वहाँ ही मिलेगी. सो ओपन द फोल्डर. ये स्टूडेंट्स, हम जब फोल्डर ओपन करेंगे तो हमें ये सिम्फिंग स्टूडियो जो SIFZ एक्सटेंशन वाली फाइल है वो भी दिखेगी, और उसके बाद हमने रेंडर जो की है फाइल जिप फाइल एज PNG हमें वो भी यहाँ पे दिखेगी. सो हम उसे वेब ब्राउज़र में ओपन करेंगे जो रेंडर की हुई फाइल है, क्योंकि SIFZ एक्सटेंशन वाली फाइल वो सिर्फ सिम्फिंग स्टूडियो में ही ओपन होगी. सो हमें अगर हमारे स्मार्टफोन में ये फाइल स्टोर करनी है तो स्टोर कर सकेंगे. SIFZ फाइल जो है वो हम स्टोर नहीं कर सकते, बल्कि हमने जो रेंडर की हुई फाइल है जीप फाइल वो हम स्टोर इजीली कर सकते हैं. सो हम उसे वेब ब्राउज़र में ओपन करेंगे. सो हम वेब ब्राउज़र ओपन करते हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी our choose a file first, render file, and click on open. Now you can see our render file in browser with an extension of GIF, which is render file.